was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blow, I hang my head and cry. Fancy dining car, they're probably drinking coffee and smoking big cigars. But I know I had it coming, I know I can be free. And those people keep on moving, that's what tortures me. I bet I'd move it off a little further down the line, far from Folsom Prison, that's where I want to stay.